Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fluffy flexi rod set on dry hair. To make it easier for me, I did split my hair into twos, and I am going to be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream. I did only use a little bit amount because I don't want my hair to revert. When I apply my flexi rod, I do start midway, and then I just start to roll it around the flexi rod till it gets to the ends of my hair. For this look, I am using these small flexi rods, which is the 11 by 16 inch diameter flexi rods. So I do have the purple one here, but I will eventually add the gray ones in as I don't have as many purples. You can get these flexi rods at your local beauty supply store. It did come with 6 pieces a pack, and it also was a total of $3.99. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy nose. I have been under the weather for a few days, and also I had like a bad tonsil thing going on, so I'm just recovering. So I just really wanted to get this video out for you guys. So moving on, I am starting on my neck section, and I am going to be using my detangler brush. Whenever I do any style, I do make sure that my hair is very detangled, so that way my hair can come out smooth and actually pretty. Whenever you apply your flexi rods, you want to make sure your hair rolls on very smoothly, because how you put the hair on the flexi rods is basically how your hair going to turn out to be. So just make sure that your hair is very smooth when applying these flexi rods on your hair. Before I bend the bottom part of my flexi rod, I do smooth out my ends and also apply a little more cream on it, so that way my ends can become smooth when I do unravel it.
Beautiful black and exclusive, yeah, she the platinum visa. A black American Express, lead ahead of Mother Nature and say Mother knows best. A little olive oil, maybe grape seed. In the winter, protected styles and quick weaves. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe.
For dry time, I did sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour. I love this look because it is a very fast way to achieve curls. So I am going to be unraveling these flexi rods, and this is the process. I'm just unwinding it in the opposite direction. I'm digging how my curls are already looking. I love the fact that my curls are actually elongated. I also realized by me using the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, it actually provided a great shine to my hair, which I am digging as well. I did do my hair on old hair, which I did use the Camille Rose, their new lavender collection, so I don't know if that has something to do with it as well, but overall I am digging it. So I am going to be using the Uncle Funky's Daughter Glossy Finishing Hair Polish, and I'm going to just spray that on my hands, and I'm just going to be using that to put on my hair, so that way it will cause less frizziness. So I'm just separating my hair where it naturally separates, and I am separating about 1 or 2 times, so that way I can get a voluminous look. So I just finished one side, so now I'm just going to be working on my other side and just doing the same thing.
Everything that I need.
So this is where I decide where I want my part to be. When I did style my hair, I did part it in the middle, but I decided I wanted a deep side part like I normally want. So I'm just trying to figure out where I want my hair to be. So now that I know where it's going to be, I'm just going to be fluffing it and picking it out with my pick here.
Everything that I need.
My friends were friends better than your friends. That's how we keep popping out that binge. No foes, we're friends, we ain't even gotta pretend. Get pants, spend it on my friend. Put me up.
So this is my finished look. I'm loving the results. If you like it, do go ahead and give a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and God bless.